I just want to come in here and show you guys how easy it is to hang up a command medium utility hook. So basically what you need is you need the actual utility hook, you need the command stripes, you also need rubbing alcohol, you're also going to need like a soft microfiber cloth. So now that you found your location that you want to hang your utility hook on, you want to go ahead and use the rubbing alcohol to clean the surface. You want to make sure that you remove any dirt, dust, or debris. So I'm going to hang it up here on my storage door here. There's a little area. I'm going to go ahead and wipe it down. There you go. So at this point, we're just going to remove the dirt, dust, and grease, whatever material that can cause the hook not to be stable. Okay. So now I just want to show you the particular item. So it comes like this. So basically you can take the hook off by pushing it down the back. Okay. You can put it back on there like this. So these are the way it can detach. So now I'm going to go ahead and take one of my command stripes here. Okay. So I'm going to take it apart here. All right. So you want to make sure that you remove the sticker part from the back here. You're going to move it from the back. You're going to remove it from the front. Okay. So, very important to remember that when you put in this utility hook, the arrow have to be facing down, okay? So just like this. And you line it up perfectly, just like that. All right, make sure you push it on there a bit. So the next step you're going to go ahead and do, you're going to put it on your designated location that you cleaned off. So you're going to go ahead and put it here like this. Then you're going to go ahead and hold this for 10 seconds, okay? 10 seconds. Okay, so once you held it for 10 seconds, you're going to go ahead and lift it up. You're going to hold it for another 10 seconds. This is optional right here, but I'm just making sure that it has a nice firm attachment to the door. Okay, so once it's held there for 10 seconds, just want to make sure you put it in place. Then you want to go ahead and slide it back on. As you can see, you slide it on like this. Then you want to hold that for additional 30 seconds. And this utility medium hook, command hook, can hold up to 3 pounds, so 1.5 kilos. And you can definitely use it to hold like things like your rope or cords or any type of equipment that needs to be hanging around the house. So to take it off, you just go up. There you go. As you can see, the back part there, and you just put it right back down.